Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a tutorial with BH Cosmetics collab with Alondra and Elsy. So if you'd like to see that, then just keep watching. I'm gonna go in with the shade Peach from the BFF palette and put that all over my lids.
Since I called you mine, you've been on my mind. Don't hang up. Maybe I'm a little bit jealous.
And the next shade I'll be going in with is Blessed with the same palette and putting that in the inner corners of my eyes.
It's a little bit selfish calling you up when I'm wasted, when I know that you moved on. Is she in your arms right now? Tell me, is she gonna stay?
Then I'll be using the shade Bon Appetit and putting that on the high points of my brow bone.
Is she in your arms tonight, like I used to be?
And to darken my outer corners, I'm going in with the shade ootd just to give it a little bit more definition.
Can't get over you, just wanna talk things through. Tell me what to do, don't give up.
And to clean up my eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Nars Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla just to make everything look crisp and nice.
Don't give up on me yet, baby, I'm a little bit jealous. Haven't told my friends we ended it, yeah, I know that it's wrong.
And for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the NYX liner in the shade Black. And I like to use this on the tops of my eyes and bring it into the inner corner of my eyes. And to clean it up, I like to use that Nars concealer, but I kind of fucked up really bad, but it's okay, I fixed it later on.
Is she in your arms tonight, like I used to be?
For lashes today, I'll actually be using my own lashes, Glambygavaldon. This is in the style Millie, and I will update you guys more on my lash line once it is done being produced.
Promise I love you forever. Sorry for letting you down.
Now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter something highlighter, I have no idea, in the shade Fair to prep my face for foundation. Now I'm going in with the Nars Foundation in the shade Patagonia. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but it's amazing. I use it all the time and I highly recommend it.
Tell me, is she gonna stay the night? Tell me, is she in your arms right now? Is she in your arms tonight, like I used to be?
For my cream contour, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in the shade Fair Medium.
I know it's been a while, haven't talked since July. You've been on my mind, don't hang up. I know it's been some time since I called you mine. You've been on my mind, don't hang up. Maybe I'm a little bit jealous. Haven't told my friends we ended it, yeah, I know that it's wrong. Maybe it's a little bit selfish calling you up when I'm wasted, when I know that you moved on.
For cream blush, I'm going to be using ColourPop's cream blush in the shade Mini Me. I'm absolutely obsessed with all of their blushes. You guys have to check them out. And yeah, they're super creamy and really affordable.
Is she in your arms tonight?
For concealer, I'm going to be going back in with that Nars Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla.
Like I used to be. Can't get over you, just wanna talk things through. Tell me what to do. Don't give up. After all that we've been through, I give my all to you. Just tell me what to do. Don't give up on me yet. Baby, I'm a little bit jealous. Haven't told my friends we ended it. Yeah, I know that it's wrong. Maybe it's a little.
For setting powder, I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Translucent Powder. It's one of my favorites, and I highly recommend that as well.
Right now, tell me, is she gonna stay the night? Tell me, is she in your arms right now? Is she in your arms tonight? Like I used to be. Like I used to.
To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade Fair 1.
Promise that I'll do better. Promise I love you forever. Sorry for letting you down. Promise that I'll do.
Alright, and for the rest of my face, I'll be using the shade Latina for my bronzer, You're My Person for my blush, and Sheen for my highlight.
Selfish calling you up when I'm wasted, when I know that you moved on. Is she in your arms right now? Tell me, is she gonna stay the night? Tell me, is she in your arms right now? Is she in your arms tonight? Like I used to, like I used to be.
For mascara, I'll be using the Benefit Magnet Mascara. It's one of my favorites right now. You guys really need to go pick it up. I did just poke myself in the eye like a dumbass, but I highly recommend this mascara.
Space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
For lip liner, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Pencil in the shade Coconut. It's my favorite, and yeah, I'll just be putting that all over my lips. Now I'm going in with my Holy Grail lipstick by MAC in the shade Honey Love. Trust me, you guys need this. It's my favorite lipstick of all time. It's the best. Alright, for setting spray, I'm going in with the Professional Setting Spray by Benefit. It's amazing. I use it before I go to work so that my makeup does not transfer on my mask, because that shit pisses me off. But yes, it's the best. You guys really need to try it, and yeah. So this is the finished look. I do make my outro really long because this shit took like 3 hours, so enjoy me just like being super obsessed with myself. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.
You never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the